Alright, so we made it to Columbus, Georgia. This will be our first time dry camping in a Walmart. So it was a long trip. We had to blow out about an hour from home. Thought the tires miles wise were okay. Pressure was good, so not sure what happened, but we made it safe and sound. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so hopefully no issues driving the rest of the trip. And then Friday, day after Thanksgiving, we can hopefully find a new tire shop and get a new spare mounted. So that's the plan, and pretty quiet at this Walmart so far. So we'll hope we get a good night's rest. Good night.
It was right here, it ran in. Little deer.
I didn't see it. We are at Pine Mountain RV Resort in Georgia. So we blew a tire on the way here last night, not far from home. We made it with a spare to Columbus, stayed the night in Walmart, got the tire fixed this morning, put the spare back as a spare, and as we just got to the campground, laying down some blocks to level, I could hear air coming out of another tire, which was on the verge of blowing. Praise God we made it here safely. So we're enjoying our Thanksgiving weekend, but we will have to find a tire repair shop in the meantime. Hopefully maybe someone who can come here so we don't have to move the camper and lose camping time, but we'll see. Cool. Wow.
Touch of Jamie's filming it.
Yeah, it's cool. So when you get samples, make sure you get them from a counter that's properly labeled with which bucket is dirty. Here, they are not labeled.
So, hello guys, this is Stuck in a Camper, and today this campground, we are at Pine Mountain RV Resort, and at this campground, there's a beehive nest, so I will be showing you guys that. We're on our way, okay? And there's little facts about the bees throughout the signs. We are writing.
I'm gonna be reading them to you guys.
Yep. And okay.
Did you know over 50% of honeybees are dying each year due to
a phenomenon referred to as colony collapse disorder.
Okay.
So it's just me and Peyton because my mom's allergic to bees and everyone else is watching football. So yeah. Next one, RVC cares about bees.
Did you know honeybees are directly responsible for up to 34% of our diet? That's right. Tasty things like apples, almonds, pears, raspberries, strawberries, as well as other plants and flowers that feed other creatures are pollinated by honeybees.
See? CP, see all them? Have you ever learned about bees in schools?
Mm-hmm.
What have you learned about them?
That they are natural animals.
Oh.
I don't know if that's true though.
Do you know what they do for us?
It's like yellow honey.
Mm-hmm.
And they pollinate our planet.
Cool.
What's that? There's a bee coming at us.
Okay, so that's the beehive. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Go down 200 feet and then the trail stops.
So we came out to FDR State Park. Tried to get reservations here, but they were already full. So we're about to enter the state park.
I went to the end of the trail, but it stopped.
Oh.
So it doesn't go to the bottom.
In the spirit of all things Scott, we found an overlook. For the record, we are not on state park property yet, so we're launching the drone. Actually, yeah, it does look like a little bit of a trail.
It's a scaling trail. Hey, it's a scaling trail. Oh yeah, coming down here. Look, it's literally like a path. It was okay, let's find the
Here's Elephant Rock. Don't mind the heavy breathing. Alright, so the knob, something knob trail, FDR. Overall, it was pretty long. We hiked 5 miles, we said 4.3. No wildlife. This is the prettiest view here at the parking lot. But you do get to see the plane crash memorial, Elephant Rock, and the teeny waterfall. But you're better off going to those destinations and then turning around instead of doing the whole loop, because there's not much else on it, other than a good workout.
Hello, this is Stuck in a Camper, and we are about to go to the campground's pool, so let's go. So, we are walking to the pool now, and it's about like 65 degrees outside, so we're wondering if it's heated or not. So we're gonna go check that out. But I saw earlier that they have a really nice hot tub, so we're gonna also check that out and feel the temperature. They used to have a water slide right here. You wanna feel the kid area? So this is the kid pool. Now let's come on, let's go check out the other one. The jacuzzi. Come on, you coming? I know, you are. It's gonna be you out of everyone. Okay. Okay. So the bubbles aren't on right now.